Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and most popular products. Today, we're diving into what is undoubtedly the best white pixie cut wig on the market. The men's white wigs short layered natural cosplay costume Halloween synthetic heat-resistant replacement wig with a wig cap. Whether you're gearing up for a cosplay event, a Halloween party, or simply looking to switch up your look, this wig could be just what you need. The first thing you'll notice about this wig is the natural, short layered style. It's perfect for achieving that chic pixie cut look without the commitment of cutting your own hair. Made from high-quality synthetic fibers, this wig is heat-resistant, meaning you can style it with low-heat tools, giving you the flexibility to adjust the wig's appearance to your liking. Whether you're aiming for a smooth, sleek look or want to add some volume, it's incredibly versatile. One of the standout features of this wig is its comfort. The interior of the wig uses a breathable rose net that allows air to circulate, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. The wig cap also comes with an adjustable hook, ensuring that the wig fits most head sizes, so you don't have to worry about it slipping off or being too tight. It's a snug fit that will stay in place, allowing you to fully enjoy your event or costume party. Another key benefit of this wig is the color. The white hue is strikingly vibrant and offers a clean, fresh look that stands out. Whether you're going for a stylish appearance or embodying a character for cosplay, the color is versatile enough to fit various themes. It's thick and soft to the touch, keeping its shape and curls intact throughout wear. The versatility of this wig makes it ideal not just for costume parties, but for all sorts of occasions. You could wear it to concerts, theme parties, cosplay conventions, or even as a fun, everyday change of style. Plus, it's perfect for creating a wide range of characters, from anime heroes to eccentric fashion icons. When you order this wig, you'll also receive a free wig cap, which makes wearing it even easier. The cap helps create a neat and tidy look by keeping your natural hair in place, ensuring the wig sits comfortably and securely. In terms of care, this wig is easy to maintain. Simply wash it with non-oily maintenance fluid and let it dry naturally. Avoid combing the hair before it's dry, as it can cause tangling. It's recommended to use a towel to help with the drying process and never brush the wig while it's wet. This white pixie cut wig is a game changer for anyone in need of a stylish, high-quality wig for cosplay or costume events. It offers comfort, versatility, and a stunning appearance, all at an affordable price. So, if you're looking for a wig that checks all the boxes, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a review of the best products on the market.